Ever since I painted my front door and installed the new hardware, I have been so inspired to decorate for fall, and today I cleared my day to do just that. I already did some fall decor shopping that I think will make it look so beautiful, but I'm also gonna upcycle some items in the process to help, keep it on a budget and be able to use things that I have bought in the past. I got this rug from Amazon. I'll try to link as much as I can in the description box below. And I swear this doormat is everything, especially because I DIY'd it. I actually can't believe it came out as cute as it did. I found these stencils at Michael's. I got the mat from Walmart for I think like $7 or $8. I taped the stencils, I taped all around the stencils, and I spray painted the pumpkins, and it's exactly what I had in mind. Now let's focus on this corner. I always felt like this corner was kind of challenging to decorate because it's much bigger space than the other side. But I think I got enough things that will make it pop. These crates are from Michael's. I got 3 of them, and I think that might be enough. A straw bale, also from Michael's. Some pumpkins, of course. These are real pumpkins from the grocery store. I have a couple of fake ones, but the real ones were way more affordable, and hopefully I will remember to cook something with them at the end of the season. Some fake fall leaves from Michael's. I didn't buy too much because I already have some flowers that I usually use in my front porch that I love. They just need to be washed, and I want to combine them with these to give them the fall accent. But I didn't want to buy a whole bunch of new set of flowers. I also got these 2 new cages or lanterns. I'm not sure exactly what the right term for this style would be. I definitely have my fair share of lanterns, but I would say when it comes to decor, lanterns are one of those things I can't say no to. And so these were on sale and they seemed just so appropriate. And so I got 2. Not sure if I'll use them, but I feel like they would go so well that I should try to use them. So I also got this adorable pumpkin from Lowe's a couple of weeks ago, and it's definitely going on the set. I feel like it's missing some color. Everything is orange or tan. I think it needs something green or red. So I'm gonna go dig around and see what I find. I got a box full of heavy stuff that was just sitting in the garage. I have an idea. This shirt, it's been sitting in my closet brand new for over a year because every time I want to wear it, it just doesn't go with anything. So we're gonna use it here. It's looking better, but it's still missing something. I have this. Come with me. Don't mind the mess that you're seeing, but we are gonna pick some pomegranate from this tree. Okay, I think now I'm missing my flowers. I'm gonna go give them a wash and we're gonna try to incorporate them. My flowers are ready and I like to put them in these. I already had these. I've had these for like 5 or 6 years. I love them outside my door. Adorable, right? It is so cute. I love it. Okay, let's do the other side. I am loving the outcome. I think it looks really pretty. The only thing is I wish I had another like leafy garland to put on this side of the door, like that one I have over there. I only got one, so I'll be sure to grab one when I go to Michael's next time for this side of the door. But for now, I think it looks great. The next thing that I want to add here are the 2 wreaths that go on the doors. I have these from previous years. I had bought this a couple of years ago because I love the yellow. Like, yellow is one of my favorite colors, but it's so faded, and so I'm gonna give it a spray paint coat to give it just a little bit of a fall look, and then it's gonna go on the door. But actually, like, now that I hold it up, I actually kind of like it yellow. I think I'm gonna hang them first and see how I feel, and I may or may not move forward with the spray paint now that I'm like holding it up against the door, because I think it looks really nice, like the yellow accent with the blue. Let's see, let's hang it first. I think it looks great. So to be completely transparent, not that it matters, the yellow looks much better on camera. Like in real life, it looks worn off, like you can tell. Actually, not from here. Anyways, I feel like, in my opinion, the yellow could use a fresh coat of paint, but because it's fall and it is that season of like leaf changing and imperfection in nature, I feel like it goes just right. It looks so good. I love it. I hope you guys love this. If you love it, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I'll say bye for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.